Greetings, my name is John, and I'm going to show you some amazing Airbnb amenities that maybe you could use in yours. We're going to look at the bedroom today in this episode. We have 5-star reviews on this, mostly because of the amenities and how we maintain the place. So here we go. All right, this is our room. The bed, of course, is king size. We use quilts. We do not use the big comforters because we wash everything. All of the pillow cases, the quilts, the duvets, everything gets thrown into the laundry every single time. So we keep it very, very clean. But we do use hotel sheets. We get a good deal on those in Amazon. When they first come in, there's a closet here, and they can use the closet to store, put their suitcase on top, and of course they can throw their clothes into the drawers there. We have a ironing board, and of course up top we've got the iron and additional towels for them to use, and another bedroom set if they need to use it. We get a lot of remote workers, so we have a desk here with a chair, and we also have a table, a little table you can pull out for watching TV or placing whatever. On the computer, you'll see we have links to all the airlines here. We have the travel guides where they can pull up with all local events. We have Solitaire, all the browsers, and they can plug in their own workstation. So they can remove that laptop, drop their own laptop in, and they can plug up their laptop to the monitor and keyboard here. It's a wireless mouse and keyboard. So they can take their laptop anywhere in the room along with the keyboard and mouse. We provide them extra cables for monitor hookups. So if they have different HDMI or mini or USB-C, they have those, of course. In the room, we have a couple of different hooks throughout the room. People love hooks. They hang all kinds of stuff all the time, so we kind of want to make it handy for them. We also provide bath cloths, or bathrobes, sorry. And these are washed after every visit as well. The desk doubles as a makeup station. So you can see here we have a little fold-out mirror with a light. It's kind of nice. And next to it, that mirror folds up underneath that monitor stand, so it can go out of the way if they're on work, or they can pull it out when they want to do their makeup. And we leave a little outlet, easy to access, for a hair dryer or curling iron. There's a hair dryer in the bathroom underneath the sink, so they can easily pull that out and have a nice workstation here. Each one of the side tables has a charger like this, where they can just drop their device, their phone, right on the charger and it charges. But we also have a series of different cables. It's a multi-connector, so they can plug in additional devices as needed. Most people today have 2 or 3 different devices that need to be charged. And of course, we have a nice potpourri smell, and we have this little tin where they could drop things in when they're going to go to bed. The other nightstand has the exact same setup. The multiple chargers, and then behind there's also a wall outlet with USB chargers as well. When we give them a clock, it does not make sound, so that's a great thing. Don't have a ticking clock. And of course, up on the wall we have more hooks. We have storage here if they want to drop any pillows or blankets in there. There's also additional pillows in there if they need it. On the bed, we offer them, of course, there's a laptop desk. They can use tablet or reading a book. It folds up and down so that they can drop their own laptop, or if they want to read at night. And when they come in, of course, we have a nice throw blanket, and we have a welcome card, welcome them to the house, and a couple of local gifts from the area that they can take home with them. We also include a really nice printed welcome book. We get this printed over at the Office Max. Doesn't cost very much. Inside it, of course, it has all the Wi-Fi information, things about the hosts. But we also list the top restaurants, the top things to see and do in the area, so that they have something to start with. Our TV and console area is very nice. We offer a whole suite of different streaming services. So we don't have regular TV here. We have all streaming. But we offer them Netflix, Prime. We have our own media server with movies to watch, HBO Max, and a bunch of other services. They don't need their own logins. They can log in with these. They're already pre-set up, but they're using our accounts. They can certainly use their own accounts, but there's no need for it. On the welcome desk here, of course, is their little welcome kit with towels and shampoos and a complimentary travel bag. We print out the local weather for the week while they're here. Of course, we give them a couple free waters. There's the Roku device, and then we have an HDMI outlet that they can plug a laptop in if they brought their own movies or something on their own laptop. Down below, we have a hygiene, if you forgot something, hygiene basket. It has a little sign on the front of it. It says if you've forgotten something. We provide, the normal ibuprofen, Advil, Tylenol type of thing. And then we have a color printer if they need to use it. They have another sitting area here. They can put their suitcase on it, and underneath there are, in those baskets, are additional blankets if they need it. And then we have a little coffee and station. So down the bottom, we of course have a refrigerator. It's stocked with a couple of bottles of water, sodas, and so forth. There is a fan. If they want to use a fan, some people like and need a fan to sleep at night. They need that white noise. They can use this fan. It does have a HEPA filter on it, so it is considered a HEPA filter. When they turn it on, it will provide the white noise and also filter the room. For our weekenders, for our long stayers, we offer some basic cheese and crackers and a little champagne. Of course, we have coffee, the Keurig maker, which is nice. We load it up with coffee, and we have all the sugar, teas, sweeteners, and so forth. We have a microwave up here, and if you can see, we've got plates and utensils, cups, napkins, and behind there is a first aid kit. And of course, we have a little munchie station if they want to grab something sweet. So I think that's the gist of our Airbnb. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the amenities. I think we've done a good job with our reviews, and our customers seem to really like our stay. I like their stays here. All right, thank you very much. And if you like this video, please put the like on it and subscribe. Thanks.